Day 12, 1981 CB750. My homie, Mr. Don Heaton, come up today, and we hammered down. We got the motor put on. We got the wiring harness in. The biggest mistake we made today is we didn't have the oil pan gasket on hand, so we kind of had to make a stand underneath it so that I can roll it up by myself and change the pan by myself. We kind of put the tank and the rear cowl and the side covers on it, just kind of mock it up. That's looking good. And let's see, we worked from 1:30 to 4:30, so there's 3.5, and then 5:30 to 8:30, so there's 3, so 6.5 hours a piece. So full day's work today. Here's a quick look. You can see the stand kind of has it tilted just a little bit, but it's very stable. And we're going to strap it down just to make double sure. Just got some rags in the exhaust ports and put tape over the carb inlets. It's looking good. Like I see, it's got that tilt just because of the way we've got the mounting brackets under there, or the wood kind of short up. But see how the curves of the tank work with that cowl. Gonna be killer.